Noodle don't play by the rules. Or she does, because she's right on the edge. Oh, now she's breaking the law. One paw. Do you feel awkward me recording you all the time now?
Yes, I do.
You're used to Cody doing it. Looks like a shovel head.
It's supposed to be.
Oh. There's some steep stairs. Getting a dirty chai drink. Oh, the stalker. Noodle!
Over there?
Noodle's driving next.
You can drive, Noodle? You can drive next. You stinky.
No.
No, I'm not driving.
Be at 15.
So they weren't reliable.
Yeah, but I think the newer ones are all.
What are you doing? Is you cuckoo?
A lot better.
How long ago did it close down?
Probably 12, 13 years ago. Like how far out the thimble one stuck. So this one, I mean, so far it's been pretty good. On the old cruiser, I had smacked it a few times on the old one, but it held up well.
The woods there. So instead of turning right, we were left. Not like it would, once you drive down, you wouldn't be able to figure that out. But
Get the bugs,
we're
Noodle.
here safe and sound.
Get those bugs. They smell, Noodle. What are you doing? He's a good gosh. Oh, yes, you are. No fun sign.
My feet. Oh yeah. And then it was the mustard plant that were everywhere. They got so thick my weed whacker wouldn't take care of them. Oh yeah. I knew I should have put those gaiters on. Something else. Yeah. And everybody had to be okay with it. It was just everybody's like, well, that's the way it is, or whatever happened.
Good girl, Noodle.
They're just like, okay.
Yeah.
And we're doing.
Always reminds me.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I wonder how it worked too. I guess.
We east of Lake Mary. No, not Lake Mary. Mormon Lake area. Back in there? Yeah. I've come across cabins that you can tell.
You enjoying the view?
I think so.
In there was no bird in the area.
Right.
So
that was.
Puppy.
comes down a little closer and switch
Oh,
backs.
Noodle made a new
It was
friend.
in a wash in between those two. And it was just
Good
down
girls.
in the wash and it
Oh,
was
you're
complete
tangled.
bolt, you know? So,
Did you
and
get a
then,
new friend?
post-fire,
Did you meet Poppy?
Because that fire, with all the erosion,
Right.
messed that road up pretty good again. So we went back in and dozed it again and
You just run it away. I should sell my stuff. I should. It is really nice.
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
If
It goes
you
under
ever
a
seen it
ways.
empty?
No.
When it comes to spiders,
He came back up, so that's a good sign.
Nope, we're good. I mean, you touch the bottom, you come in quick.
and there's four hippos populated this part of Colombia. And they're not. They're the only.
Where El Chapo's estate was, because he had giraffes and rhinos. And
Zoo.
he had a whole.
I know, that was before, so yeah, Dave was up there.
Picked out of that. You know, you have like four.
No.
Good girl, Noodle.
She doesn't have to do
She's just chilling.
There's also and you guys probably know what I'm talking about.
Oh, thanks.
but otherwise big warehouse. So
That's kind of cool. Yeah. Not super prestigious, not like too flashy or anything.
That's one of those. And it's just bolted right to it.
Okay. And that actually, so if it's Prince.
I think that was a bird.
Noodle. You're good girls. Look at you.
What do you hear out there, Noodle? Oh, the bread's too big to fit both pieces. Boy.
That'd be a good way to advertise your bread, though.
Make a Patreon for my bread.
Yeah. Do you want some sourdough? My Patreon.
Here's some sourdough. Sign up. He's a good girl, Noodle.